It's high. Hoor je dat?
Ja, we gaan iets hogers opzoeken. Serieus.
Waarom? What the fuck? There's our meat of the leftovers. There's the girl, cold like shit. And we're sitting on a bench like this. Together. Still praying for
Kijk, daar is een trappetje.
protection.
Daar
Ja, I
kunnen we
know.
op zitten.
Ik ga helemaal nergens heen. Ik blijf lekker hier zitten. I'm gonna stay fucking straight right about here. Maybe it's an old animal with some throat issues. It's quiet though. Quiet as quiet can be. Snails? And she's got the shit. Just fucking scared. Scared like shit. Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna check it out.
We hebben nog een zaklamp.
Nee. Nothing. Complete. Nou, hij moet wel steeds focussen. Focus! Ho, 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 ho. Kijk man. Daar ligt er nog een. Ik heb voor de rest geen batterijen. No batteries. Pause this video if you want me to put spirit talker on.
Nee.
For some advice. I'm not talking to you. The garbage bins. The stones, and there it goes straight fucking down. And all the lights there. It's the city. And I don't know, but we're counting on the help from our Red Cross above. And the rest of the shitty tower. It's quiet now.